Last month, I made over $5,000 with one beginner-friendly woodworking project. The three main excuses I keep hearing are that you have no time, money, or skill. You don't need any of that for this side hustle. I also work a 40-hour 9-to-5 job. 5 to 7 I'm in the shop, 7 to 8 is shower and commute, 8 to 5 pays for my health insurance, and then usually 5 to nap time I'm either editing or watching TV. Perhaps you're short on funds. I provide 100% free plans, build tutorials, and newly revised 2026 marketing photos that you can post and make your first sale before you even make your first product. Skills, tools? You won't need any of this. My easy-to-follow walkthroughs only require beginner tools. Build a few boxes, reinvest those profits, grow your collection. There's a lot of other content creators that are following suit and doing the same thing because it's a proven structure that makes you money. Let me show you how. So how do you get started? Fence boards are all that you need. $3.28 from the big box store. They're made out of cedar. And you're going to be building a variety of planter boxes. I have updated my pricing since my last tips video was published. That was almost 2 years ago. And that information can all be found in the description. This video includes a free printable flyer, and you can take this down to your local diner. Once you have the PDF downloaded, head on over to pdfcandy.com where you can easily upload the flyer and add your specific pricing and contact information. You can use it once per day for free. Then you have to pay money. So if you goof it up, you're gonna have to wait till tomorrow, but not a big deal. When you're ready, you click this button up at the top and it will download a new PDF. It's gonna have that same name as the one you just downloaded, but it will say edited. That is the one that you're wanting to go with. If you don't wanna offer and build all of the boxes on the sheet, just take a little text and just smack over the top, says sold out. They're gonna think that you're hustling and bustling so much that you just can't keep up. It's actually a good thing. So what does the sales data look like to make 5,000 big ones per month? Let me count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guys can go get a drink or something. This is gonna take me just a second. 67 planter boxes across 31 days. I took 2 days off because my and my wife's birthdays are in March. So really 29 days, 67 boxes. I grossed $6,060. And once you take your profits and you deduct your expenses and your time and you package it all up, I'm left with pretty close to $5,000 as spending cash. Not only do I provide a free printable flyer, you also get some spreadsheets so that you guys can stay organized. On that spreadsheet, I blacked out the names just so people, they have some privacy, except there are 2 names that I didn't block off because these 2 people didn't come pick up their planter boxes. If you're doing a custom build, take a deposit. If you're just building the randoms, give it to the next guy. So it has a spot for their name, the planter box, pickup date, total due, how much they actually had paid me, and then additional, if I want to write down how long they want the posts, or they had a special request for like box K to be a different size, stain options, special requests, all of that I can throw in the additional column. Just keep it fresh. If this is your first or second year selling planter boxes, you might just take a line item and write down your expenses. And then, you sold a box, Oh, I went and bought some more pickets, so that's a minus. And then just total it up each week and just see, kind of how the health of your planter box season is going, if it kind of helps you sleep at night. But I'm just going to let you know, if you're following along and selling them for what I suggest you sell them for, you're building them, you're having a great time, you're going to make money. Some of these boxes, they cost $26 to build. You're selling them for $160. There's profit. There's huge profit. The only reason it should be in the red is because you bought a skid of pickets at 650 pickets and you haven't sold out of them yet. So that's the only way you're going to be in the red, is at the very beginning when you buy all your materials. Again, post this flyer, post the pictures, sell a box, then go buy the supplies and build it. Make sure you can get your hands on some cedar pickets before you sell a box. But they haven't paid you yet, so you can just tell them, oops, sorry, I'm all out. So check out my planter box playlist. It is in the description. All of my planter box builds are 100% free, easy to follow, free downloadable plans, free downloadable spreadsheets, and extra tips and tricks. I'm here to make you guys some money. So go check those out. You may have seen this guy floating around the top. And come on down, boy. Oh, who's a good boy? Yes, you are. This is just a watermark I'm going to have to apparently add to all my new content, letting people know that it is in fact my content, because there are a lot of half-filled bags of parking lot cheddar cheese out there stealing, piracying my content, and it's just annoying for two reasons. It's defamation to me because they claim I make $125,000 off this one project. I've never claimed that. People are going to think that I'm trying to claim that. I'm not. Second off, it's confusing because there's no links to watch the full video or get the plans, even though you say you provide them. It's just sloppy. If you guys are on Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and you see a piece of content that looks to have me in the background, it's probably not me. If I'm not in the lower left-hand corner, that is stolen content. And you'll probably see in the comments, I'm pretty heavily trying to gauge those out. On the flip side, if you guys know anybody higher up in Facebook, you want to send me an email so I can easily just message them and have them review a page that's full of my reels so we can get it shut down, that would be awesome.